Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 9th chapter, that is the force and pressure. In previous video already we have learned that what is the pressure. Pressure is a force per unit area. That means pressure is equal to force per unit area. When how much area it is covering and how much force we are applying on that objects. Okay. And what is that unit? Unit of the pressure is equal to Pascal or 1 Newton per meter square. Yes. So already we have discussed about that. But students, today we are going to discuss about that. What is the related? What is the things about the pressure and area? How it is related in our day-to-day life? Okay. Students, you know that whenever mole will put in our wall. So the mole's sharp side, where is the very sharp, that we are putting that, keeping the towards the wall, and which one is board side and we are keeping outside towards us, and we are hammering, and which one entering to the wall. Yes. So how it is related and what is that in day-to-day life relation about that what pressure and area we will discuss in this video. So see, if we increase, what will happen? If we increase, carefully observe students, if we increase the area, what happen? If we increase the area of contact, pressure decreases. जब हम क्या करते हो, जब एरिया को क्या होता बड़ा हो जाता, ठीक है, जो कांटेक्ट एरिया में हमें अप्लाई करे फोर्स, उसका एरिया जब हमें बड़ा कर देते हैं, क्या होता, उसका प्रेशर क्या हो जाता, डिक्रीज हो जाता कांस्टेंट फोर्स में. कांस्टेंट फोर्स क्या होता, कांस्टेंट हुआ सपोज, तो एरिया बड़ा हो गया तो उसका प्रेशर कम ही हो जाता. ठीक है. इफ we decrease the area, where is the contact, suppose nails, if this area is very less, so pressure high, pressure is high, is greater, pressure is greater. But if you reverse, in this case if you do, the pressure is low, means pressure is decreases. Run this. Okay. In this cases pressure increases and in this cases pressure decreases at a constant force. Force जब constant देंगे, ठीक है, इसका एरिया क्या हुआ, कम ही हो गया, तो प्रेशर क्या हो जाएगा, हाई हो जाएगा, इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू रिवर्स, इफ यू कीप, then what will happen? Now the area increased, that time pressure decreased at a constant force. Okay students. So what is the relationship between the pressure and area day-to-day activities? So many activities I have written. So first of all, the weight of the strap of bags and suitcase increased to reduce the pressure while carrying them. You have seen that the suitcase, that one strip is there, to which one you are carrying, that one belt like it there. Why? Because whenever you will use that belt like, that pressure, what will happen? It will be decreases. Otherwise, it will be whenever we are carrying or by hand, that what will happen? It will be more pressure on our hand. Okay, so that's why the strip or the straps will be area is increasing for the decreasing of the pressure. The wheel of military tankers are covered with a broad rubber strip so that they do not sink in the sand or snow. You have seen that the military tankers, the defense line, whatever the tankers, that what happened? The wheels is covered with one rubber strip. Why? Because that it is more weight, tankers weight more heavy there. So whenever it will be drive on the road or on the surface, then due to more weight it will be what will happen, sink into the soil, so or surface. So it cannot run very fast. So what will happen? If the rubber straps are there, then that area it will be more, then pressure it will be decreased. So around that wheels, tankers wheels are covered with the rubber straps to decrease the pressure. Pressure कम ही होता, ठीक है, ज़्यादा weight होता, लेकिन pressure क्या हो जाता, कम ही हो जाता, इसलिए हमें यूज करते हैं. Third one, it is more comfortable to wear broad wheels while walking on the soft surface. हमें soft surface में क्या होना है, हमें slipper जैसा यूज करना है, wheels मतलब broad wheels यूज करना, pencil wheel नहीं यूज करना. What will happen if you use that? It will be pinched, that means it will enter inside that, so we cannot walk properly. Elephants and bears have the broad feet in to help them to walk on the soft surface without falling. Already I have told that like camel, elephants, they have the broad, that means broad feet. Broad feet means flat feet, like and they can walk easily on the sand or the soft surface. Yes. So these are because the area is increasing, their feet area is increasing, then pressure what will happen? The pressure will decrease. Okay friends, now we are going to discuss about that what is that pressure exerted by liquids. Okay. So okay friends, now I will say about that what is that pressure exerted by the liquids. Already in the previous science activity days also we have shown that so many experiments friends, how that water exerting that pressure. You have seen that so many activities, but here also I will show that how that water also exerting that water pressure. Okay, so see students, one activities 9 in your textbook also is there friends, you can understand. Activity 9.4 it is given to show that liquid exert the same pressure in all direction at the given depth. If that here on you should take that one bottle and pour that what is that water and pinch that here the downside you should same height you should make the holes. Some holes you should 3 or 4 holes you should make it. Did you understand? Here observe that here one hole is there, here one hole is there, here one hole is there. That means this water it is like this is falling. Yes. So how did you observe that from this experiment? Now whenever one equal height with the people put that then equal height with the water having that same pressure, that means the height of the depth of the pressure, the depth of the water are depending, that means it is varying what is that the pressure of the water. Okay, so according to that height of that water, that pressure is changing. So how that if same height is there, then the pressure is same. If the difference height is there, then how that pressure is changing we have to see. Should remember students, if the depth is increasing, that high pressure. Remember, if the water depth if high, then the pressure also high. Okay, if less depth it is there, then we have to say what is that less height, that means less pressure, and the less distance it will fall down. We will see by this activity what is that. To show that liquid exerted the same pressure in all directions at the given depth. If the same depth is there, then the pressure, same pressure it will become and in all directions. Okay. So now friends, so now check here. First take a plastic bottle. Second punch 3 holes in the bottle at the same height that 3 pinch hole karo. Now pour some water into it and let it flow through these holes. Observe it. क्या हो रहा है देखो इधर, देख सकते तुम बच्चे, ये जो water bottle है, you can see that pour that water and you can 3 holes you should make same height with it and pour the water. Then after you can observe, see, allow that water to come out and you can see same height with it, that same pressure with the water coming out. So we observe that water comes out from the all holes. So okay friends, so now we are seeing that according to the height of that water, that pressure is varies. Okay, so if that more height is there, then that or the depth more is there, then the pressure is high. Now friends, you can see that for that how that changing by the depth of the water. See that now observe friends here experiment activity 9.5 to show that the liquid pressure varies with depth. इधर देखो एक बॉटल में क्या करें, we have done that different height of the holes, that means there are 3 holes I made and with different heights, and that you should see that here same experiment like, but you have to take that height is changed. At that time before what you have done, height same height you have done, the pressure exerted by that same equally, but here what is that the difference height with we have to made that holes. So if more depth is there, then the pressure is exerting that water more or high. Okay friends, so this is more about that how that pressure is exerting by the liquids. Okay friends, thank you all of you, have a nice day. We'll discuss what is that atmospheric pressure in the next video. Thank you.